To use Circle to Search on Nothing Phone 3a, first we need to make sure that it is enabled on our phone. So you want to go to Settings, scroll all the way down and choose Special Features, then go to Gestures, choose Navigation Mode, and then scroll down to find Circle to Search. We want to make sure that this option is enabled. If you use 3 buttons navigation, we can press and hold the home button in order to activate this Circle to Search option. If you use gesture navigation, then you can press and hold on the navigation handlebar at the bottom. So if you have the navigation bar hidden, then you won't be able to use Circle to Search. So now, let me actually go back to 3-button navigation, and let's, for example, open the Google app. So now we can press and hold our finger on the button or the bar, and we can draw a circle around an object that we want to search in Google. And as you can see, here it is. We have some results. We can, of course, adjust the area that we are looking for, and you can also simply tap on the object or a photo to immediately search it without having to draw a circle around it. In addition to that, we can also find the search history, we can delete the last 15 minutes, and so on. If you go back to the Circle to Search, we have additional tools at the bottom, so you can use your microphone in order to, for example, just simply search on Google. You can also tap on this music icon to use the music search feature, and then we also have the screen translation. So if you tap on this icon here, we can choose the source language, which is usually also automatically detected, and then the target language, and we can immediately translate the screen. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!